Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be reading the book, Mrs. Wishy-Washy's Christmas. I like this book, and I hope that you like it too after we read it. Hi, my name is Gina Antrim. I'm an AAC SLP, and I have been for the past 9 years. Today I'm going to be, while reading this book, I'll be providing aided language input using the Lamp Words for Life poster from PRC. All right, so Mrs. Wishy-Washy's Christmas. Let's take a look at our front cover. So we've already read the title. Now let's look at the pictures, and we can think about what our story is going to be about. So if we look, we see a woman, and we see a cow, a duck, and a pig. And we see snow outside. So we know it's winter time, and they live somewhere where it snows. And it's probably going to be pretty cold if it's snowing, right? And then since there's a cow, pig, and duck, I wonder, this book is probably going to be about farm animals, maybe on a farm at Christmas time. Let's read and we'll find out. Mrs. Wishy-Washy's Christmas. Look at that silly duck. He's in the middle of a wreath. Usually wreaths are decorations that we hang on our door. I have a couple of wreaths at my house. What about you? All right, Mrs. Wishy-Washy's Christmas. Snowflakes flew around like big white bees, and they landed on the arms of winter trees. So that just means that they got stuck to the trees. And if we look around, they're stuck on the fence, the roof of the barn, and the house. Snow on the house. Snow on the farm. Snow on the roof of the wishy-washy barn. I like when it snows and the whole world is white outside my window. Someone came down the snow-deep path. Someone called, "Animals, time for your bath." Oh my. The animals gasped. They shivered and groaned. "Not a cold bath," the old cow moaned. I would not want to take a cold bath outside. Hopefully it's going to be inside somewhere. Mrs. Wishy-Washy filled the big tin tub. All get ready for your Christmas scrub. "I'm cold," mooed the cow. "I'll get the flu." "I'm cold," squealed the pig. "My snout is blue." "I'm cold," quacked the duck. "My feathers are ice." "I'm chilled to the bill, and that's not nice." They really do not want to take a bath. "Oh, fiddle-dee-dee," Mrs. Wishy-Washy said. "Scrub yourselves from your foot to your head. I'm going to town. When I get back, you must be clean as a brand new tack. No dirt, no mess, no mud. Do you hear? Or there'll be no presents for you this year. Oh no. So they have to get a bath in the cold tin tub. Otherwise, they do not get any presents. Oh man, I wonder what will they do? Away she went in her old farm truck, while the cow and the pig and the shivering duck stared at the ice in the old tin tub. How could they sit in that for a scrub? I would not want to sit in that either. The cow mooed. No, I'll wheeze and I'll sneeze. The pig squealed. No, my snout will freeze. The duck quacked. No, no way I can. But don't worry, friends. I have a plan. So the cow and the pig left the ice-cold bath and followed the duck up the wishy-washy path. They squashed through the gate. I wonder, where do you think they're going? They squished through the door, dripping mud and slush on the wishy-washy floor. Let's take a look at what you see in here. And we'll go back to the picture of the farm. So they were by the barn. And they followed the path from the gate. Uh-oh. Did they go into Mrs. Wishy-Washy's house? Come, quacked the duck. I'll show you the way to a bath as sweet as a hot summer day. Oh, heaven, oh, bliss, a wishy-washy place. Shampoo for the hair and cream for your face. Pink tub, pink towels, a little pink rug, and water as warm as a friendly hug. Uh-oh. I do not think they should be in there. They jumped right in with splashes and splashes and rose pink soap for the Christmas washes. Oink, oink, quack, quack, moo, moo, moo. They sang through the bubbles of the pink shampoo. They look like they are having fun, though. When Mrs. Washy came back to the farm, she let out a scream like a fire alarm. Oh my, burglars! Just look at this mess. Who was in my bathroom? Let me guess. There they were by the Christmas tree, the bathroom burglars. 1, 2, 3. Shiniest tacks from heads to their toes and smelling as sweet as a new pink rose. They do look like they had a good bath and they got nice and clean. When they saw Mrs. Wishy-Washy, they gulped. Oh my! They could kiss their Christmas presents goodbye. She would wag her finger and yell, "No, no!" and send them back to their tub in the snow. But Mrs. Wishy-Washy said, "Fiddle-dee-dee, I'm not as mad as I ought to be. Cow, pig, duck, it's that time of year for peace and happiness and good cheer." Then she put on her Santa hat on her head and gave them gifts wrapped in green and red. The pig got bubble bath. The cow got a brush at the end of a rope. I think I missed. The duck got soap. Mrs. Wishy-Washy said with a little laugh, "I'll put warm water in your old tin bath, but don't use mine again. Do you hear? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." Oink, oink, quack, quack, moo, moo, moo. Thank you, Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Yes, Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Dear Mrs. Wishy-Washy, Merry Christmas to you too. Those cookies look good. And they had a good holiday, didn't they? There's the end of our book. I hope you enjoyed reading with me. Thank you so much for joining me. If you did like reading, please let me know down below by giving me a thumbs up or leaving me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Bye.